Yeah. I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted. Yeah, that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best.
Uy, nakaboots ako. First time kong mag-boots. Ito ang nangyayari sa akin kapag umaga. One click boy. Hindi kasi gumagana yung push start ko eh. First time kong mag-boots. So what's up? Kamusta? Ayos ba tayo dyan? So nakita nyo naman yung yung opening natin, no? Wala rin akong ka-idea kung ano yung mangyayari mamaya. Basta yan yung highlight. So nagbablog ako dahil gusto kong i-document. Mamaya meron tayong pupuntahan sa may Pampanga. Okay? So meron tayong kukunin mamaya. Okay? Malamang nakita nyo naman na kung ano yan. Pero yun nga, mamaya natin siya kukunin after natin mag-work. Kaya tayo naka-boots ngayon at first time kong mag-boots sa talambuhay ko, no? Ewan ko ba? Alam mo, na-excite ako, no? Sa mga nangyayari. Marami ako nakikitang bago ngayon na mga motorcycle, mga update natin. Natutuwa ako kasi may mga, alam mo yun, may mga progress sa channel natin, may mga bago, may mga experience na di ko inaasahan. Talagang alam mo yun, timing lahat. Doon ko lang na talaga na doon ko lang na realize, or doon ko lang talaga masasabi na lahat ng bagay nasa timing. Pag di mo pa talaga kailangan, di pa ibibigay ni Lord eh. Pero pag kailangan mo na, ibibigay niya eh, di ba? Nakakatawa lang yung experience na ganito. Talagang chini-cherish ko. Wow, cherish spell. Yun na nga, talagang kinikip ko siya sa isip, sa puso at sa salita. Wow, panatang makabayan. Pero lahat ng mga nangyayari sa akin, talagang ine-enjoy ko. Hindi ko iniintindi kung may views ba, kung mataas ba yung views, mababa yung views. Hindi eh. Kasi yung importante doon yung sa likod ng camera, yung paano ka nag-enjoy. Yun yung talagang masasabi kong nakakapagpataba ng aking puso, nakakatuwa sa aking isip. May mga bago akong natututunan. Yung editing natin talagang, alam mo yun, nagle-level siya eh, di ba? Compared dun sa mga dati natin. Nakakatuwa lang. Sabi nga nila, practice makes progress. Hindi siya perfect kasi nga wala naman talagang perfect. Walang perfect, okay? Kailangan lang mag-progress. Sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, kailangan, yung palagi kong sinasabi, na sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, kunyari ngayon, may ginawa ka ngayon, bukas, kailangan mas magaling ka compare kahapon. Ganoon. So sana meron kayo natutunan, no? Ayos din pala pag nakaboots no? Hindi ako hirap. So kailangan nating umabot bago mag 9 sa Pulilan. Kasi 9 ang pasok ko. Makikita nyo kung paano tayo mag-rides. And 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted. Yeah, that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody look at me, I got a plan. You gotta work hard, play hard, do it from the start. Cause how you do anything is everything you start. Stay consistent and do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way. Cause 10% of something is better than nothing. out. I'm on the climb to the crown, in my prime right now. Hear me loud, I've been spitting for a while now. All by myself, independent DIY now. Don't need no help, I've been beating out labels and money and budgets, it's funny. I do all the work, yeah, keep it 100. I fight for my dreams, I would die for these things. I believe in myself, I refuse to be weak, I like to build things. Empires out of buildings, I wanna leave a legacy of helping others finally feel things. Of motivating and killing, depression, exhaustion, we need some healing. I work through the pain, I like seeing gains. I keep my head down, buried, walk through the flames. Yeah, I do this every day, even when I feel drained. A true man pushes through, you don't hear complaints. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So
ayos to, mamaya balikan ko na lang siguro 10 minutes. Diyan ka muna, Pepe. Okay, hanggang sa muli.